In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track leads in Zoho CRM. Tracking leads properly helps you stay organized and makes sure no opportunity is forgotten. With Zoho CRM, you can view each lead, update its current stage, and document what happens next so your team can keep moving forward. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Take a moment to make sure you are signing into the correct workspace or organization, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are logged in, you should land on your Zoho CRM dashboard or home screen where you can access the modules you need. Next, click on the Leads module tab. This is where Zoho CRM keeps records of people or organizations that might become customers. You should be able to see a list view that shows existing leads. If you see multiple filters or sorting options, you can use them to narrow down results. But for now, focus on locating the lead you want to work on. Now select an individual lead to open their record. Click the lead name or the corresponding entry in the list. When the lead record opens, you will see fields and activity related to that person or business. This is the main place where you track progress because it centralizes the lead status and all updates you add over time. After the lead record is open, update the lead status field as required. This field represents where the lead currently stands in your process. Choose the option that best matches the latest situation, such as new, contacted, qualified, or any other status your team uses. It is important to update this field consistently because it makes reporting more accurate and helps everyone understand what stage each lead is in at a glance. At this point, you should also add relevant notes, tasks, calls, or events. This part is essential because the lead status tells you the overall stage, while notes and activities capture the details behind that stage. For example, you can record what was discussed, what was promised, what follow-up is needed, or what outcome occurred during a call. You can also create tasks and schedule events so you know exactly when the next step is due. If you performed a call, add it to the activity log so it becomes part of the lead history. When you add notes and activities, look for the sections on the page that correspond to notes, tasks, calls, or events. Enter information clearly and keep it focused on the lead. If your CRM page provides fields for a description or summary, use those to document the key points. If there are dates or times available for tasks or events, make sure they match the actual plan so you can follow through reliably. Once you have made the necessary updates, click Save. Saving is what officially stores your changes in Zoho CRM. After you click Save, you should see the page refresh or a confirmation that your information was recorded. If the status changed, verify that the lead status field now shows the new value before you move on. That is the full process for tracking leads in Zoho CRM. You log in, open the Leads module, choose the correct lead, update the lead status field, add the relevant notes or activities, and then click Save to store everything. That covers everything you need to know.